Hey everybody, I'm Travis with Lighthouse Property Management, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about what really is a huge part of the process here for screening tenants at Lighthouse, but I want to help you screen your own tenant if you're doing this yourself, and kind of give you the guidelines that we go by. So here goes. First thing you want to do, and to me the most valuable piece in tenant screening, is rental history. Honestly, it's a hard thing to find sometimes with some tenants. You really need to make for sure when you're talking to their current landlord or a previous landlord that you have the right guy. Now there are ways of doing that. One of the ways that I would recommend to you is go to the tax website of the county where the property is located. Make sure the name listed on the taxes is the same person that you're talking to. Because obviously if a tenant has poor rental history, most of the time they're not giving you accurate information. That's the biggest area of fraud when we go to do background checks on tenants here at Lighthouse, is the current landlord or the previous landlord. So be careful with the conversation, but be for sure to have the conversation. And if for some reason the tenant can't give you that information, or they don't have rental history, you kind of have your answer right there. By the way, one quick note about that. That would fall into the category of a pre-screen, meaning before you show your property, you want to ask that question to the tenant. Where are you living now? How much rent do you pay? Begin qualifying the tenant. Be for sure you want to drive across town and show that tenant the property. The next part of screening tenants would be electronic reports, which are available all over the internet. I did find one for you guys. Equifax.com has a three-part report. It pulls all three credit bureaus into one report, which is important because bureaus report different information. You're looking for collections from previous landlords or apartments on the credit report, as well as obviously the credit history. Debt to income ratio, you'll hear a lot of talk about that. Most property management companies say 3 times rent. So if you have a $1,000 rental, you want household income maybe of $3,000. I would say 3.5, really 4 for the perfect tenant. You got to back out taxes, you've got to back out insurance and other expenses. So 3.5, 4 times rent is what your tenant needs to make. And finally, when screening tenants, let's treat everybody fairly. There is fair housing legislation. You want to look that up on the internet. If you go to the Resource Center and download my ebook, Finding the Perfect Tenant, on the last page there is a link that will take you to read more about fair housing issues. So you don't want to get in trouble, you don't want a legal issue, and you want to treat everybody fairly. So hopefully that's been useful for you guys. I appreciate you listening, and good luck screening tenants.